Hey guys, today I'm back with another video, and right now we're in an unusual position right now. We're next to my Christmas tree. I love Christmas trees. But here's my slime, and today we'll be reviewing slimes. So here it is. Here's the container, and let's just get on to reviewing, So I'm going to open this up. And okay, we're gonna start right now. Okay. How soft is it? It's really soft, but sometimes it can get really hard. So that I would give it probably an 8 for that one. How stretchy is it? It's kind of stretchy. Wait, I didn't stretch it good. I'm probably gonna give that one a 7. So next, the swirls. I don't know about the swirls. I've never done a swirl with this slime before. So this one. Ooh, the swirls are 10, and it's really stretchy slime. Only when you like stretch it really softly, but when you're like that, it's not stretchy. But when you're like this, it's really stretchy. And there's also like beads in there. Look, can you guys zoom in? Can we zoom in that? No. So that's it. Has a lot of weird things in it. I put my hair up for this video because I don't want slime in my hair. Like, who does? So I'm just gonna stretch this out.
Hồi nhỏ em không có bị như vậy, mà một bạn em nó bị như vậy, nó bị là bị cái mà cà lâm, mà nó còn bị thêm cái tật cà mụn, cà chớ, cà lâm rồi cà mụn với ông nội. Nó cà chớ em mới gây lộn với nó, mà nó nói chuyện chà dắp em cười quá trời quá đó. Em nói mày bị cà lắm, mày kêu ba mày ra.
Here's the slime. It's really stretchy, and that's that. And then my first video ever was about squishies, and I know I haven't been doing squishy videos, and so yeah, we're gonna do an updated squishy collection just because of that, because we never did an updated squishy collection. So in our next video, you're probably gonna see squishy collection for the title. So yeah, bye guys.